You ever just open your laptop with full intention to finally get your life together, and then somehow end up watching a 47-minute documentary about how lobsters never die of old age? Yeah, me too. It starts so innocently. One moment you're like, I'm gonna be productive today. And the next thing you know, you're deep in a Reddit thread debating whether cats are secretly running the government. They are. Fight me. I swear my brain has this talent, like Olympic-level gymnastics, of doing backflips around responsibility. I sit down to write one email, and suddenly I remember I haven't reorganized my sock drawer since 2017, and that obviously becomes urgent. Because how can I be expected to function in a world where my polka dot socks are mingling with the athletic ones? Chaos. Then there's that voice in my head. You know the one. That dramatic inner narrator that whispers, "Why even try? You'll probably fail anyway. Also, you look weird when you chew." Like, okay, Karen, thank you for your unsolicited input. So I try to focus. I light a candle. I put on lo-fi beats. I open Notion. I color code my tasks. I spend 2 hours creating a productivity dashboard that I will never, ever look at again. I even add a quote that says, "Discipline is freedom," in cursive font, because aesthetic will definitely fix my executive dysfunction. Eventually, I get so fed up with myself that I decide the only logical solution is to Google how to trick your brain into doing things it doesn't want to do. 15 minutes later, I'm meditating with a YouTube guru named Chakra Dave, who insists I can transcend time if I breathe through my left nostril only. I try it. I pass out. I wake up with carpet marks on my face and one unanswered Slack message. "Hey, just checking in on that report?" Here's the kicker. I've realized I'm not lazy. I'm just really creative at avoiding things. Like, give me a task I hate, and I will build a Renaissance-level distraction masterpiece around it. I'm basically Da Vinci, if Da Vinci had ADHD and commitment issues. But hey, maybe that's the secret. Maybe we're not broken. Maybe we're just running on a system that rewards novelty, panic, and last-minute miracles. So next time you find yourself spiraling down a rabbit hole of penguin mating rituals instead of finishing your taxes, just remember, you're not alone. You're just human, and probably allergic to structure. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a sudden, urgent need to alphabetize my spice rack. Don't ask.